5 years from now, you'll either whisper, Alhamdulillah, I really turned my life around, or sigh, I'm still stuck in the same place. And no, it won't be because of some viral video, a productivity app, or even that dream course. It all comes down to one decision: what you do in the first hour after you wake up. You see, science says your brain is up to 40% sharper right after waking. Islam says the barakah is in the early hours. Coincidence? Number this is divine wisdom. But here's the catch. Most people wake up and scroll straight into stress, distractions, and regret. You want to win in life? You don't need a 5 a.m. miracle. You need one sacred hour built on discipline and dua. Here's your 5 a.m. power ritual. Water. Hydrate. Like your future depends on it, because it does. Move, wake your body. Energy feeds motivation. One goal, right, one small goal, one domino. That's it. Learn, read, watch, listen, grow your mind, protect. No distractions, no texts. Guard this hour like it's your future. Every time you wake up with intention, you cast a silent vote for the version of you say you want to become. And that version, respected, focused, trusted by others, and most importantly, trusted by themselves. You don't need to change your life in one day. You just need to stop snoozing on the 1 hour Allah already blessed for your growth. Because in 90 days you'll look back and say, that version of me started with this hour. So what will you do tomorrow morning? Snooze your success or rise into it? Jazakallahu khairan for being here. If you felt this, drop a comment and share this with someone who's ready to stop waiting and start becoming.